How to add remove friends back on Snapchat. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to add remove friends back on Snapchat. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is we need to head over to our Snapchat right here. Then from in there, we can just head over and click this purple icon. Then when you scroll down, you can see here your friends. So click on my friends. And then for example, we want to remove this friend. So let's try to remove them right here. And then from in there, we can actually remove them as a friend. So click on this one right here, click on manage friendship and click on remove friend. Click on remove. Then as you can see, they will be removed to our friend group. So if we want to add them back in, what we can do is we can actually send them a request again. So we can actually try to add them back if we don't add them. So we can actually just click on add here again. So click on add and then just wait for them to actually respond to our friend request. But it usually doesn't take very long because Snapchat has a very profound way of sending requests as it actually get accepted the second we sent it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add your new friends back on Snapchat. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try my best to answer them. Thanks.